Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add avatar to your profile in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface. Now let's simply look at how to add the avatar. At the top right, you can see your username right here. Simply click on it. And from here, what you guys need to do is simply scroll right over to the first button, that is View My Profile. Click on it. And guys, this is it. Do note that in order to add a Steam avatar, what you guys have to do is simply click on this button called as Edit Profile. Click on it, and likewise, once you are in the Edit Profile page, at the left hand side, you can see a button called as Avatar. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. These are a few of the avatars that are already available, and do note that you can add your own custom avatar. You simply need to click on this button called as Upload Your Avatar, and it needs to follow these requirements. Let's say I'm gonna select this avatar right here, and guys, that is it. As soon as you click on it, your Steam avatar will be updated. That is it guys, that's how you add an avatar to your Steam profile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.